Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about ASIN function in Salesforce. So let's proceed and discuss what does we mean by ASIN function in Salesforce. So basically, this ASIN function is one of the mathematical function that helps us to do the trigonometric calculation. This ASIN function stands for the arc sign used to determine the inverse sign of an angle or value that you pass to the particular function. Let's and you can also say the arc sine function returns the angle whose sign is the given number. The input must be a number between -1 and 1 and the output will be in radians, typically between -pi by 2 and pi by 2. That is -90 degree and 90 degree. So let's proceed and discuss the syntax related to the asine function, and the syntax is given on your screen, that is asine function, and the parameter used inside this asine function is number, field and formula, and we pass the value to find out the inverse sign of it. It can be a number, field or formula. It only take up the number data type value like decimal, integer, double or currency. Now let's proceed and learn how we can use this assign function in Salesforce. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce org. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. And here we are going to learn how to calculate the inverse of a sine function in Salesforce. So for this, I click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option, and it will redirect us to the setup home page. And on the setup home page we can see there is an object manager tab present. Click on this object manager tab that is present on the nav bar, and our object manager page is open, and here are the list of objects are present. So select the object from these lists. So I enter the product object in the search box and click on this product object, and then click on the fields and relationship option, and it will redirect us to the fields and relationship page where lots of fields are already created, but here we want to create the new field because we are using the assign function for this field. That's why I want to create the new field, and this field is a kind of the formula type field. So I click on the new button and it will redirect us to the first tab, that is choose the field type, and here I select the formula field type. That is a read-only field that derives its value from a formula expression you define. And then click on the next button and it will redirect us to the next step, that is the step number 2, choose the output type. Here fill the field label and then fill the field name which is automatically generated, and here we are filling the field label as a product demand, that is the demand of the product. So I enter the product demand and calculate this demand of product, and then click on the field name which is automatically generated, and this field name is fetched out by the field label. Now choose the formula return type, and here I want to choose the formula return type as a number because the data return the value for the inverse sign function, in which the data type like it can be currency or date. As we learn that it is a numeric data type, so most of the time it gives the answer in the numeric or currency form, or depend on this function you are using. If you are using the if kind of functions, then it return the result in checkbox form. So, but as we are find the product in demand, so we want the result in the number. So this time I click on the number checkbox. So I click on this and then scroll up and click on the next button. And now we move to our next step, that is a product demand. Enter formula for this product demand, and here I am entering the formula from this by choosing function first, and I want to choose the assign function, and this assign function return the arc sign of the number radian, if the given number is between -1 and 1, otherwise null. So click on the insert selected function, and then I want to remove this parameter and select the insert field, and I want to insert the average rating field because I want to first calculate the average rating, and this average rating divided by 5 number. So I click on this, and I want to again add one more function. So I again enter plus sign that we are selecting from the insert operator and choose the assign function and click on the insert selected function. Now I want to also remove this parameter and add the insert field in place of this, and I selected the unit sold field and click on the insert, and this time I divide this by the 1000 and click on the insert operator and choose the divide and then enter the 1000, and after that I multiply this whole by 100. So I enter this, and then I want to divide this by 2 pi, so I select the divide operator from the insert operator option and then enter the 2 pi and choose the all categories and search the pi. The pi value is also present here. The pi value is also present here, and click on the insert. Now check the syntax. Our formula is correct or not. So I click on the check syntax, and here we go. There is a no syntax error is present. And then we can also add the description and the help text if we want, otherwise leave it as it is, and we can also handle the blank field and then click on the next button, and it will redirect us to the establish the field level security. Just select the profile to which you want to grant the edit access to this field via field level security, and here I want this field level security is visible for all the profiles. That's why I click on the visible checkbox and click on the next button. And we move to our last tab, that is add to the page layout. Select the page layouts that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of these page layouts, and you can see only product layout is added to the field, and click on the save button, and you can see our field is created successfully. Now it's time to check it's working or not. So I click on the app launcher and enter the product. The search box, click on the products, and it will redirect us to the product record page, and here you can see the records are present. You can select any of the product randomly, and here I select this product, and we are moved to our detail page, and now edit this, and you can see there is an average rating units sold are present. So enter the average rating. Now enter the average rating. First I enter the average rating as this, and then enter the units sold as this, and click on the save button, and here we go. You can see the average rating is 1, units sold is 20, and the product remaining comes up is 0.42, and this show it calculates the inverse value of the sign in Salesforce. So with this we have learned how to calculate the inverse value of sign in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.